Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to link sale returns with bills in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Link Sale Returns with Bills module. Click on Choose Sale Return. Upon clicking, the system will display a list of all pending sale returns that have not yet been adjusted against any bill. You can also select a specific account to view sale returns associated with a particular customer. Now, let's proceed with adjusting sale return voucher number SR38 with the bill amount of 3,540. After selecting the sale return, the system displays all outstanding bills associated with the same party. From the list provided, select the relevant sale bill against which you wish to adjust the sale return amount. Let's adjust the sale return against bill number 465. Once the required bill has been selected, click the Save button to complete and record the adjustment process. The adjustment process has now been completed. To verify the adjustment, go to Sale Bill module and open Sale Bill number 465. Press the F3 key to open the Multiple Payment Mode window. As you can see here, the adjusted amount of 3,540 has been successfully reflected here. By clicking on the link SR, you can view the respective sale return document that has been adjusted against this bill. The remaining payable bill amount, after deducting the sale return adjustment from the total bill amount of 5,116, has automatically been updated in the credit amount field. This confirms that the sale return has been correctly linked and adjusted against the bill. Let us also review its posting in the ledger report. The report displays the transaction entries, including the adjustment of the sale return against the corresponding sale bill. This confirms that the system has accurately recorded the accounting impact of the sale return adjustment in the customer's ledger. Let's also learn how to unadjust the adjusted sale return. Go to the Linked Sale Returns with Bills module. To reverse the adjustment made earlier, click on the Undo Linked Sale Return option. Select the relevant customer account. The system will display the sale return that was previously adjusted against the sale bill. Choose the document and click Undo to reverse the adjustment. Let's review its impact on the corresponding sales bill. As observed, the adjustment has been successfully removed, and the full bill amount is now reflected in the credit amount field. This confirms that the sale return has been unlinked from the bill and the outstanding amount has been restored accordingly.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.